Hi friends, we are going to make a toy. It's called Electric Snaps. So what are we going to play is the fourth video. So let's see what we're going to make. Is this one, and we're going to make, we need a battery. That's what's this thing. It's an object with batteries inside it. Let's close that bit and take the other things we need. And we have this thing inside, because they put plastic. It's inside a little bit danger. It's a motor with like a type of liquid. Put that in there. And what's the last two more objects? This one is the light. So what's the light? This one. Inside they have a little type of thing. So that's this one. And for this one is 15. That's the on and off switch. So right off, I will on it for you. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. You will hear a loud noise from it already. Let's put it back and let's start off this. Okay, put that there. We're going to keep an eye when we do it. Okay, so we need to put the batteries, and actually we need to use this thing. Okay, I put that here, the instructions, and put that there. Move that here, and I put the thing what we need to look at over here. So we need a frame over here, and when we do the frame, you see we need a switch. So first we get the switch. I told you inside they have the batteries, these power batteries, and do not put them in the bin or you get some type of current. And next we'll pull back, and in the instructions says we need to put it in the side. Put it in the side. We need to hear a click noise. There we go. And on switch button, that's number 15. And we will get it and bring it down. Take number 15. And where does it say us to put it? It's here. Here. Click. There we go. And join that bit, we need to have this thing. We will just wait before we put that. We will just put this three like that over here under. So that's already. And it says that. We just put that back. We will need that bit. We will just put that thing, number 24, in here. So it will be here. It will be a little bit sideways, a bit heavy. There. We need 3. That's joined with this, means that, and 3 joins there. Take that 3, little bit, just wipe it, and just put it there. I'll connect on that, and put that there, and there we go. And it's a little bit going down because something's missing. we need another 3. So here is again the thing, and they say to put it under here. We just take that and under that 3 we put that 3 again, and put that back and put that. We have this also. It's a light that I showed you, number 18. This is lovely, and look at that. And we're going to connect it here. Okay, that's it, like that. So we connect that here, and we are done. It's like this. Okay. So now we're going to on it. 3, 2, 1. That's been done. But we're missing something here. What's that? Is this type of thing where it can go flying this way or that way. So we put that with the edges where it says the corner, and we click it down in the corner where it's in here, and we are done, but it doesn't have that thing there. So we go to on a 3, 2, 1. They have a motor sound in it. That's what I was telling you at the start. They have a motor that makes the thing go round. And this light, it flashes also. Let's off it. 3, 2, 1. So we are done with our collection. So we are done. So have subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.